Hi, Mel. Okay, today we're going to take a look at our 5 vocabulary words for our story of Why the Sky is Far Away. These are the same 5 words we've been working with all week. Rooted, satisfied, rejoicing, magnificent, and preparations. So I want you to look on page 78 in your reader. And let's read the directions. It says, in folktales, authors use words to communicate ideas about characters and events. Vivid words contribute to the theme or central message. Complete each sentence with a word from the word bank. Then write what the word describes and an idea about a character or an event that the word helps communicate. Okay? So if you take a look at this, I'm going to move myself over here. If you take a look at the chart, the very bottom, it has 3 columns. And in the first column, it's going to list the vocabulary word. And the second column, who does that vocabulary word tell about? And then what idea does the word help tell about? Okay? So for example, satisfied means pleased. Well, who is satisfied or who isn't satisfied? Who do they use the word satisfied to describe? A DC. They say a DC is not satisfied, right? So we put a DC here. And what idea does it help us, does the word satisfied help us understand? That a DC wants more. She is not pleased. She can never have enough. Okay? All right, so they did the first one for you. So let's do the second one together. So if you take a look on the second page, now I got to scooch myself over here now. If you take a look at the second row, blank means activities to get ready for something. What vocabulary word means activities to get ready? Preparations. So you should write preparations on that line. Hold on, let's see if I can do this. You should write preparations on that line. Okay, preparations are going to go right there in that box. What is preparations telling us about? What are they preparing for? They're preparing for the festival, Obo's festival, right? That's what they're preparing for. So we're going to save and we're going to put Obo's festival in the second column, what it tells about. And what idea does it tell us about? Okay, what's more of the idea that they're telling us about? They're telling us that all the people are preparing, or we could say are getting ready for Oba's festival. Right? That's the idea that it tells us about. Okay, so that would go there, and then our sentence would go here. Okay? So take a look at the next row. What means worried? Brooded. Who's brooding? Well, we could have 2 answers, right? The sky is brooding, or Oba's brooding, but the sky is brooding. What does it tell us? The sky is brooding because it is worried that people are wasting it, right? So you're going to go through for each vocabulary word and tell the word with its meaning, what it tells about, and then what idea it communicates. Okey-doke. Have fun.